How to open Chase UK bank account. If you wish to open up a Chase bank account on UK, it's very simple. First of all, download the Chase UK application and you can apply for a bank account from the app. Open the Chase UK app and this is the type of interface that you'll be able to see. Tap on the Join Chase button that you can see. Now these are the things that you will need to open a Chase UK bank account. You must be 18 plus age, be a resident of the UK only, have a UK mobile number, and be a tax resident of the UK. And you'll also need a photo ID, so you must have your passport or UK driving license or EU national identity card on your hand to be able to take a picture of it and submit it. So tap on the I'm ready button, tap on continue and allow it the notification access. Now you simply have to start with your details. For example, you must enter your first name. If you have a middle name, enter that, or you can skip that and go to your last name, then tap on the next button. You can simply select your date of birth in the date, month and year format here, and once you've done that, tap the next option again. Simply enter your UK mobile number and tap on next. After that, it will ask you for a couple of other information like your driving license or your legal ID, and once you've verified all those and all of the documents, then your UK bank account on Chase will be successfully created. That's all it takes for you to open up a Chase UK bank account. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.